Keeling here at weatherschool.co.uk and weatherweb.net, and in this video I want to take a look at when a high is not dry. This is a situation with high pressure to the west of the UK at the moment, centred out here in the Atlantic. We've got low pressure off towards the east and a cool northerly flow. Now pressure is fairly high. You can see here, look, that we've got 1024 millibars over the western parts of Ireland, 1016 over the eastern parts of England. In 144 hours on the forecast, then we find the position where high pressure is still to the west of Ireland, but it's building. The 1024 has now gone further eastwards, and the 1020 is into the eastern parts of England. But showers are still forecast to occur. So what on earth is going on? High pressure is so close by, yet we are still getting precipitation. We're still getting showers. Well, the secret to this lies in the upper atmosphere. This is the forecast chart for 500 millibars for exactly the same time as the chart that we've just seen. So this was for that time here. And you notice here that we've got a ridge here at 500 millibars off towards the west of Ireland. But there is an area of lower heights centred in the North Sea. And it's this area of lower heights that tells us exactly what's happening here. Because around these lower heights, we have the temperature contours. And these temperature contours reveal that here we have a centre of cold air. That cold air is extending into the British Isles at high levels. It means that whilst at the surface, yes, temperatures have cooled because of the northerly wind, at high levels it's cooled even more, and that leads to instability. That allows the familiar clouds that we see, the fluffy cumulus clouds, to grow. They grow into eventually large cumulus and large cumulonimbus clouds, producing showers. So this is a situation where one needs to be particularly careful. If you're looking at charts and just saying, well, high pressure is fine weather and low pressure is poor weather, then it can sometimes mislead you, because the key as to what the weather is going to be doing lies in the upper atmosphere. And it's that chart, the 500 millibar chart, which tells us that although high pressure is centred here to the west of Ireland, it's these lower heights off towards the east of the country and that pool of cold air which is really controlling things and which will bring us heavy showers, particularly across northern and eastern parts of the British Isles. What needs to happen is for this cold air to move away eastwards and for the warm air associated with the ridge to come over the top and for high pressure to actually build across the British Isles itself before the showers will fade away to any great extent. Well, hopefully that's been useful for you. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget there's more weather videos available on YouTube and through weatherschool.co.uk. So thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining and bye for now.